Welcome to the Insights Hub Basics video series. In this video, we will describe the foundation for creating the digital twin representation of your manufacturing setup using assets in Insights Hub. One of the most powerful capabilities of Insights Hub is the possibility to design, onboard, and manage easily all kinds of real assets. So to say things, machines or whole lines which you have on site in your plant. But what exactly is an asset in context to Insights Hub? Insights Hub utilizes different asset terminologies based on what each asset represents. There are real assets, agent assets, virtual asset, and hierarchical assets. In the end-to-end data flow overview, various kinds of assets are present across different stages. Starting from left, which depicts your physical setup, shows all your real assets on site. For example, a multi-axis robot, a process line, and so on. Next is the agent asset. It represents the gateway you use to ingest data from your on-site setup into Insights Hub. The agent asset then passes all data collected to the virtual asset. It is a digital representation of your real physical asset on site. But what could be a virtual asset? Thanks to the openness of Insights Hub, it could be almost everything, from a single bearing, a gearbox, to a complex machine, or a whole production line setup. All can be modeled using virtual assets. What you define as a virtual asset in Insights Hub depends on your use case. To structure and organize all your assets within Insights Hub, dedicated hierarchical assets are available. It provides complete flexibility to establish an underlying hierarchical asset structure. For example, you can easily build a complete structure and relationship starting from a geographical zone, then countries, cities, specific site locations, and all the way down to individual buildings. Now that you know the foundation about Insights Hub assets and how they can represent the entire manufacturing setup, you can watch the data model video which dives deeper in the details of a specific virtual asset. For more information, find further links, other videos, and the technical documentation for asset management in the description below.